alligator pepper. Alligator pepper. You can use this thing for a breakthrough, confirm breakthrough. Remove 21 seed of this alligator pepper. Pound it to a powder. Are you with me? Then mix it with soap, most especially a natural soap or Ghana soap. 21 seed of this alligator pepper. Pound it to a powder. Mix it with soap that you can use to bathe for 3 days. Are you with me? Then you are going to use your early morning urine to mix the soap. So divide the soap into 3. The first soap, you are going to bathe it early in the morning around 6 or 5 a.m. The second soap, you are going to bathe it next day in the afternoon around 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. The last one, you are going to bathe it in the third day in the night before you sleep. This is confirmed breakthrough. 21 seed of alligator pepper. That's all.